Seasonal eating is the practice of enjoying foods that are naturally harvested at certain times of the year. In today's world, where supermarkets offer a vast array of produce year-round, it's easy to assume that eating seasonally is no longer relevant. However, this modern convenience can sometimes mask the unique advantages that come with aligning our diets with the natural rhythms of the seasons. By revisiting the idea of seasonal eating, we can uncover surprising benefits that go beyond simple tradition. In the following sections, we'll explore why this age-old approach still holds value, even in our fast-paced, globalized food system. Seasonal eating is often celebrated for its fresh flavors and nostalgic appeal, but its benefits reach far beyond the obvious. When you choose foods at their natural peak, you're not just enjoying better taste, you're also supporting your health in unexpected ways. Seasonal produce tends to be more nutrient-rich, offering your body exactly what it needs at different times of the year. Financially, these foods are often more affordable, thanks to local abundance and reduced transportation costs. And by eating with the seasons, you help lower your environmental footprint, as less energy is required for storage and shipping. Embracing seasonal eating is a simple shift that can yield surprising rewards for your well-being, your wallet, and the planet. Eating seasonally offers several surprising health advantages. Fruits and vegetables harvested at their peak tend to have higher levels of vitamins and minerals, as they are fresher and less likely to lose nutrients during long storage or transport. By rotating your diet with the changing seasons, you introduce a wider variety of foods, which can support a diverse and resilient gut microbiome. This variety helps promote better digestion and overall gut health. Additionally, seasonal produce often requires fewer pesticides and preservatives, reducing your exposure to agricultural chemicals. Choosing foods that are in season not only benefits your health, but also supports sustainable farming practices. Seasonal eating offers a practical way to save money by taking advantage of foods that are at their peak supply. When fruits and vegetables are harvested in abundance locally, prices tend to drop, making these products more affordable for consumers. By choosing foods that are in season, individuals can reduce their grocery bills while enjoying fresher, tastier ingredients. This approach also supports local farmers and businesses, keeping more money within the community and strengthening the local economy. Furthermore, seasonal eating encourages a closer connection between consumers and producers, fostering relationships that build community resilience. As communities rely more on local resources, they become better equipped to adapt to changes and challenges in the broader food system. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite seasonal foods, or have you discovered something new at your local market recently? Sharing your experiences helps build a stronger sense of community and highlights the abundance available right where you live. Whether it's a unique fruit, a homemade dish, or a local specialty, your stories can inspire others to explore and appreciate what's in season. Let's celebrate the flavors and discoveries that make each season special together. Seasonal eating can significantly benefit the environment in several ways. By choosing foods that are in season locally, we reduce the distance food travels from farm to table, leading to fewer carbon emissions from transportation. Seasonal crops often require less artificial heating, lighting, and storage, which lowers overall energy consumption. Additionally, supporting seasonal produce encourages sustainable farming practices, as farmers can rotate crops and maintain soil health more effectively. This approach also helps minimize food waste, since produce is harvested at its peak and is less likely to spoil during transit. Altogether, seasonal eating offers a practical path toward a more sustainable and environmentally friendly food system. Extending the advantages of seasonal eating throughout the year is possible with a few practical preservation techniques. Freezing allows you to lock in the freshness of fruits and vegetables at their peak, making them available even in off-seasons. Canning is another effective method, helping you store jams, sauces, and pickled produce for months. Drying removes moisture, concentrating flavors and making foods like herbs, fruits, and vegetables shelf-stable. Fermenting not only preserves food but also enhances its nutritional value and flavor. By mastering these methods, you can create a personal seasonal pantry, ensuring a steady supply of nutritious ingredients regardless of the time of year. Seasonal eating offers a powerful way to enhance personal health, strengthen local economies, and support the well-being of our planet. By choosing foods that are grown and harvested in their natural season, we benefit from fresher flavors and higher nutritional value. This approach also helps reduce the environmental impact of long-distance food transportation and supports local farmers and communities. Even small, mindful adjustments in our food choices can lead to meaningful change over time. Embracing seasonal eating is not about perfection, but about making thoughtful decisions that align with our values and circumstances. Each step we take brings us closer to a more sustainable and nourishing way of life.